Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 20th October. Let's start. In the year of 1568 on this day Akbar attacked Chittorgarh. In the year of 1774 on this day Calcutta was made the capital of India. In the year of 1822 on this day the first issue of the London Sunday Times was published. In the year of 1855 on this day, Govardhan Ram Madhav Ram Tripathi, a story writer, poet and character writer of Gujarati literature, was born. In the year of 1880 on this day, the Amsterdam Open University was established. In the year of 1920 on this day, Siddhartha Shankar Rai, former Chief Minister of West Bengal and senior Congress leader, was born. In the year of 1930 on this day, Leela Seth, the first woman justice of the High Court in India, was born. In the year of 1962 on this day, war started between India and China over border dispute. China invaded India in 1962 and tried to enter India through Arunachal Pradesh. In the year of 1973 on this day, the Opera House in Sydney, Australia was opened to the public for the first time. In the year of 1978 on this day, Indian opener batsman Virender Sehwag was born in a Jat family in Haryana. In the year of 1982 on this day, Niranjan Nath Vachu, a senior administrative officer and former governor of Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, passed away. In the year of 2004 on this day, Alan Oringust received Britain's prestigious literary honor. In the year of 2007 on this day, Iran's deputy foreign minister Saeed Jalili became the new chief nuclear negotiator following the resignation of Ali Larijani. In the year of 2008 on this day, RBI cut the repo rate by 1%. In the year of 2011 on this day, the dictator Muammar Gaddafi, who ruled Libya for 40 years, was killed in the civil war. In the year of 2014 on this day, Joko Widodo became the president of Indonesia. In the year of 2015 on this day, US Vice President Joe Biden confirmed that he was not be running for the presidency. In the year of 2015 on this day, Indian batsman Virender Sehwag retired from international cricket and the Indian Premier League at the age of 37. In the year of 2018 on this day, the All England Lawn Tennis Club announced the use of a tie break when Wimbledon's set score reached 12-12. In the year of 2019 on this day, the first test flight to Sydney via commercial airline Qantas Boeing 787 Dreamliner landed in New York 1942 minutes after to Sydney. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Asian Development Bank and the Government of India signed a 177 million US dollar loan agreement to upgrade 450 kilometers of state highways and major district roads in Maharashtra. In the year of 2020 on this day, India ranked second in terms of the number of migrants going to Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development countries and obtaining citizenship of those countries. In the year of 2020 on this day, according to the Indian Tourism Statistics 2020 released by the Ministry of Tourism, Uttar Pradesh had emerged as the top destination to attract the highest number of domestic tourists visiting the state in 2019. In 2021, today World Osteoporosis Day is observed globally on 20 October. The day is observed to raise global awareness about the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of osteoporosis and metabolic bone disease. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Kindly share the video.